welcome back, and we're back for Advent Calendar 2015, Day 2. Okay. It's just because our blue tack was too silly to just stick it out. It fell down. So, we're just going to do it by hand. So, let's find number 2. 6, 17, 18, 2. How am I supposed to open this? Gosh, this is impossible. Huh? What's that? What's this? It's like, gosh, it's stuck in there. Why do I even dare to? There we go. Yeah, somebody take me this out. Okay, thanks. Wow. There. Oh, it's a highlighter. Great. It's like I broke it. I broke it. Wow, I broke it. It's like, what's this? Why is it?
It's a highlighter.
It's a highlighter. Okay, guys. Bye.